I think human behavior is an important topic because we're all humans and we know that our behavior really impacts our health. We have a health bank, and every day we're either making deposits into our health bank or we're making withdrawals out of our health bank. And so the idea is to engage in behaviors that contribute to our longevity in life. So kind of thinking of health as more of a right and not a privilege. So my research really has two focus areas, and one of them is the human-animal interaction research that I do. I predominantly look at how we can utilize horses in different kinds of interventions and programs to help improve a person's well-being, and specifically their mental health. Also, children with autism, how they react when they're on a horse. It helps them to increase in sociability. They're able to focus better, and also helps them with some of their motor deficiencies that they have as well.
This is bigger than just the animal-human interaction. It's really about improving quality of life for that person, but also for the animals that we encounter each and every day.
My faith is definitely part of who I am, and I really think that Jesus called us to reach all people for Him. And one way we can do that is really just meeting people where their needs are.
Behavioral and human sciences is really the foundation for human health and performance. This is where we can actually make an impact in people locally and nationally and throughout the world, and people are doing that throughout Robbins College. My role in behavioral and human sciences really revolves around the fact that we all are exposed to environmental stressors in our lives. My goal is to better understand how those stressors impact the body on a localized and systemic level, and then how can we better prepare those that are going to be exposed to those environments. Our laboratory focuses on both military as well as clinical neurophysiology. A lot of the research that we do that benefits the military also will benefit the civilian side. Paramedics, for instance, when they're in extreme cold weather environments and they're having to work on a patient in the field, how can we train them to be better? In those same data that we're getting from this, we're able to apply to the military side to improve operational performance on them as well. And so that translational component is allowing us to make a bigger impact with each study that we do, because it has a clinical application as well as a safety and performance application to the military. The inclusion of students in research is everything. In Robbins College, we have such amazing undergraduate students, and they're very intelligent. You're able to rely on them to do very complex tasks and really give a good effort to really make a big impact. Robbins College is unlike any other university or department that I've worked in throughout my career. Collaborations come naturally here. People are passionate about what they do and what everyone else does as well, because they see the unified goal and the impact that we want to make. All of these things we're examining to look at how we can better improve behavior and human sciences at the end of the day. And that's absolutely imperative to make a big impact.